Today we're diving into one of the most unique trends from Kittl's 2026 Trend Report, Trinket design, also known as index design. This style is such a charming mix of archival nostalgia and modern curation, and honestly, it's been everywhere lately. You're probably seeing designs that look like something between old encyclopedia and magazine pages, little objects arranged in grids, numbered, labeled, almost like they're part of a museum archive or an issue of Vogue Teen. And today we're breaking down why this aesthetic is blowing up, how Gen Z culture fits into it, and of course, how you can recreate it in Kittl. Trinket or index design turns ordinary, everyday objects, flowers, fruits, shells, crystals, tiny toys, into visual collections. Designers scan or cut out these items, strip them from their original background, and arrange them like artifacts on display. Sometimes it's perfectly ordered, other times it's a bit chaotic, but it's always meaningful. It's part catalog, part collage, part semiotic experiment. So it's graphic design for people who love collecting, labeling, and curating. Honestly, very much me. If you're talking about curating, listing, categorizing, you're talking to the right person. I love it. This style can borrow heavily from old encyclopedias, science books, and museum indexes. That's why some pieces might feel like documentation. Repetition, variations of the same subject, like, 50 bases, or 12 eggs, or 100 shapes, numbering and labeling to create that research paper feel, and cutouts, silhouettes, and scans layered to feel tactile and archival, and both gridded and clustered layouts that feel more collective and composed are things you'll often see within the style. Now here's the interesting part. Trinket design isn't just a design and a visual trend. Gen Z has brought back a full-on trinket culture, hence the Sunny Angels, the Labubu, Sylvanian families, and endless collections of tiny figures, charms, and miniature craze. This trend reflects our cultural obsession with curation. From Pinterest boards to what's in my bag posts, people are crafting identity through objects. Trinkets are identity tokens. Each one represents a vibe, a subculture, or a niche aesthetic. And collecting them becomes a way to, show who you are without saying anything. But because online culture moves so fast, curating and categorizing these trinkets becomes the key part of self-expression. It's not about owning random stuff. It's about how you arrange it, how you display it, and how you present your personal style to the world. Trinket design as a visual style captures that perfectly. It's the digital design equivalent of showing off that one shelf in your house that you keep random stuff that you love, almost like an altar. I love it. It's cute. If you open Kittl right now, you'll actually find Trinket design templates straight from the 2026 Trend Report. You can always start from scratch, of course, but they are amazing starting points. You notice how each one plays with the same core idea, so collecting, categorizing, displaying, but in different ways. Some are clean and structured, others are bold and colorful. There are grids filled with repeated shapes, layouts with labeled objects, and a mix of both neutral and vibrant colors and backgrounds. What's great is that you can use these templates as a base, swipe it in your own illustrations, adjust the color palette, or add texture and typography, maybe, to make it your own. It's a really fun style to play with because it rewards experimentation, and well, I love experimentation. As a designer, you should love it too because that's how you keep your design work evolving and original. Experimentation, it's actually a huge part of design. And if you want to try them out, you can open them directly from the link below and the 2026 Trend Report. You can edit them instantly and start creating your own collection-inspired designs. And that's Trinket design, a trend that turns everyday items into art and celebrates personal taste through visual order. If you're new to Kittl, now's the perfect time to jump in. You can sign up for free using the link in the description and try out the templates, graphics, and all of the design features available for yourself. And while here, again, make sure to check out the full 2026 Trend Report. It's packed with the design aesthetics and creative directions we think are about to blow up next year. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and let me know in the comments what kind of collection you turn into a Trinket design piece. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!